guys, welcome to my Vlogmas. So today is my first day doing this Vlogmas, and today is December 1st, Wednesday morning. so my face is breaking up. So I have this pimple like already couple months because I always have a face mask that cover here. So I don't know, it won't go away. I have this one, then it added another one. So it's frustrating, and I don't know, I just leave it like that because I think I have like this one. I think that was a pimples, but I'm not really sure. I just noticed that too, that is a pigment also here. So I'm so tired. I'm going to brush my hair because it's tangled and wet. So I'm trying to do a Vlogmas every day, starting today, December 1st to December 25. But I think I would not promise to upload every day. I'm not really sure. It's depending if I have enough time to editing. And I'm always doing Vlogmas each year. So if you know me, I have couple video of my vlogs when I started this channel. So yeah, if no matter what, like I'm tired, I want to do a Vlogmas every year. And also, you guys, Vlogmas is the one reason help my channel monetize. That's why I keep going. Today it's about the one I went to Hobby Lobby with my mother-in-law. She bought a Christmas tree, the small one, and then I always bought my Christmas light at Dollar General because they have cheaper compared to the other store. My plan for decoration, buying decoration for next year after this holiday because it's more cheaper. So the only things I went is Hobby Lobby, Ross, and Dollar General because that's the only place that I can afford to buy stuff. Except in Hobby Lobby, my mother-in-law wanted a Christmas tree, a small Christmas tree for her bedroom. So that's the only one thing we bought at Hobby Lobby. And then there's so many mini decoration for Christmas, but I didn't pick up because I kind of like wanting to buy them after holiday because it's more cheaper than now. Even they say 50% off, but it's still, the price is still up there. So that's all my Vlogmas for day 1, you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you to my next vlog. Bye bye. Is this a box? Look at this one, Mom.
You don't want any lights for the green tree.
The green tree. Oh, there's another one.
Hey Mama,
Like
if you get this, it goes with a lot.
30. Oh, that's pretty one, Mom.
That, you know, that's a little big, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you like over there, is small.
I don't want to spend that much on
Mm. I think that was still pricey, Mom. I think that was, I don't know.
it. Yeah,
Is that was $80, then now 40.
that's pretty. But I don't want to spend that much money.
Back left to my big life. Mama, here's some more ornaments. Mama, we got some more ornaments.
So guys, I got a few Christmas light. So soon I'm gonna decorate, but I needed more Christmas light. So I got two of this kind of look, the icicle light, and this is mini lights. So yeah, I'm going to start decorating, but I need some more stuff that to do decorate on the stairs and Christmas light, Christmas tree. So also I got this include, and also I went to Ross the other day. I got this towel, and this, and also for a table. It's a long one. It's a running table for downstairs. So this is a table runner, and also I got a holiday house gingerbread cookies, and also a cookies down here. So I got two different for us to do on this coming holiday. So I'm kind of excited because of, you know, decorating here. This is the cookies. And this is also a gingerbread house, cookies cake kit. So, yan muna ang nabili ko. But I wanted to go back to Dollar General so I can get some more Christmas light, and also for stuff that my mother-in-law bought a Christmas tree recently at the Hobby Lobby. So yan, I just showing it to you guys later kasi nilagay ko sa bedroom ng mother-in-law ko, so andoon pa yun. So for now, I'm going to downstairs mag-decorate ng Christmas tree, and then sa stairs. So yan muna.